I just got back from a vacation in Antalya and decided to build my own DIY saltwater micro-aquarium. My goal? To see what kind of microorganisms actually live in seawater. Here's the setup. Wild rocks, shells, sand, and authentic Mediterranean seawater. First, I laid the rocks and shells. Then comes the sand, a few more shells on top, and finally the seawater. And just like that, my personal mini ocean is ready. Honestly, it's bigger than most New York apartments. Look out, Atlantic, you've got competition. Let's check for life under the microscope. Right now, it's pretty quiet. The travel stress likely forced most microbes into a dormancy state. But a few days in this micro tank should wake them up. Wait! Look at that! My very first marine protozoan. It has a flagellum and a tiny shell. Any ideas what this could be? Drop your guesses in the comments. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what happens next in this micro world. The next video is going to reveal the full potential of this ecosystem.